Build a custom security workstation on the fly with CTA Digital's Custom Flex Security Desk Clamp Mount for tablets. Perfect for classrooms, offices, conference rooms, and more, this customizable tablet stand pairs top-tier security with unbeatable angle adjustment. Each of this stand's 5 locking joints can be independently maneuvered to achieve the perfect arm position, while the ball sockets at the base and head offer limitless display angles. The tablet holder rotates 360 degrees for fast switches between portrait and landscape orientations. Its heavy-duty clamp base attaches to a desk or pole with no-slip rubber pads, tightening with a rotary grip handle, while the adjustable security holder locks your device in place with an included key. For an additional measure of protection, a galvanized steel cable attaches to a slot at the back of the holder, anchoring the stand at the other end to any permanent fixture. The tablet holder secures your device by the corners, its unique design allowing full access to all ports, buttons, cameras, and headphone jacks for compatibility with credit card readers. This stand is compatible with 7 to 14-inch tablets, including iPad mini, 12.9-inch iPad Pro, Galaxy Tab S4 9.7, and more.